Hello guys, welcome to this video of ES6. In this video, I'll talk about the constant keyword of JavaScript. In ES6, it provides a way of declaring a constant by using the const keyword. It provides a read-only reference to the value. The constant identifier are always in uppercase, and the value of the variable declared using the const keyword must be initialized immediately with some value. The constant keyword works like the let keyword of JavaScript, but the constant keyword creates block scoped variable whose value cannot be reassigned. For example, when we declare a variable using the let keyword, the variable a can be reassigned with any value let me run the code executed without any error by using the let keyword. But if we declare a variable using the const keyword, variable val with keyword constant with a value of 1, then if we reinitialize the val with 2, it shows error. So using the constant keyword, we cannot reassign a variable. Now we will talk about using the JavaScript constant keyword with objects. The constant keyword ensures that the variable it creates is read-only. It does not mean that the actual value to the constant variable reference is immutable. For example, if we declared a variable person with, let me comment this one, constant variable, person variable with the keyword constant, and assign a object value to it, so we can change the age to 30, and if we even though the person variable is constant, however you can change the value of its property, but we cannot reassign the complete value of the variable. Now talking about the JavaScript constant and array, if we declare a variable colors with the array value of blue, red, etc., use the color dot push the new value of green. You can see the variable has been pushed to the array colors. Then if you pop the value, three times, it is an empty array. But again you try to reinitialize the value of that variable, it will show an type error. We declare an array colors that has 2 element using the constant keyword. As you can see, we change the array element by adding the third element to the array. However, we cannot reassign the array. This much for today's video. We'll continue with the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.